What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Pristine Auto Clean YouTube channel. And today we have my daily driver, 2017 Honda Accord, 50,000 miles. And we're gonna do a windshield coating on it, which if you guys haven't had one, it's something once you have, you'll never go without in your life. And we just became an accredited installer for Glassparency, windshield, and total glass kits. And what these do is put a hydrophobic layer on your windshield, which aids in water repellency, and the water actually beads. So when it is covered in water, you can actually see through it because it's not just one sheet surface. Insects are easy to remove, ice is easy to remove, snow is, everything is easy to remove because of this kit. 3-year warranty, quarterly checkups, make sure it's doing perfect, and once you have it, you will never go without it. All right, so my daily driver, since it's brand new, has had some form of windshield protectant on it, and you guys may know a product called Rain-X. I don't recommend it, longevity's not there. This had G-Technique G1 on it, G5, I had pretty much anything you could throw at it. And just to show that we're not working with the contaminated surface, we went ahead, we polished the old coating off. As you can see, there's zero hydrophobic. And this is essentially what you get when you drive in the rain. And as you can see, no beading. And this is going to lead us into step 1 of our Glassparency install, which essentially we wet down the surface. We'll use our scrub pad and our scrubbing cleanser. We'll scrub the surface, we'll clean it a few times, and then we'll get onto the actual application process of it. Let's see what's inside the kit. They say to do your personal vehicle as your first one. I know what to expect, but... So we have our scrub pad, our cream cleanser, our step A and our step B application instructions, and we'll get the scrubbing. Saturate our surface, and you'll see streaks on this windshield. I tried getting water spots remover off of wheel acid once, and let's just say it streaked my windshield out, so I do need a new windshield, but I know it's there, it bothers me. Just run with it. Set about a quarter size. You get the catch? And what this is going to do is basically get inside all the little nooks and crannies of the glass, because our glass is porous, which is why when it's untreated, it doesn't bead water effectively. It more or less sheets it. So you can hear it's got some pumice grit substance to it, and it essentially just gets inside the nooks and crannies. And like anything detailing, anytime you're using a chemical that's going to be semi-permanent, it's all in the prep work. We're just going to go ahead and clean this with an alcohol-based glass cleaner. Some may call it overkill, but I'll go overkill with prep work any day. We got our glass, I'm going to say 7/8 of the way clean. We're going to spray it with some 70-30 isopropyl alcohol, 93% mixed with water. And we're just going to give it one last clean just to make sure we got a very, very clean surface and this will dry nice and good. And then we'll get down to applying the product. And you guys might pick up some streaks in this windshield. Like I said, it will not be the product or dirt. It's from me being an idiot. Alright, so now we have our surface surgically clean. I'll go ahead and apply step A, wait 1 minute, apply step B, wait 1 minute, and then we'll wipe it off. And this stuff does not need to cure, it's ready to go. So it's not so easy with one arm, but we just unfold our towelette and just go ahead and cross hatch it. Now we just go get a damp towel. And then we follow it up with an alcohol-based cleaner. I'll use 2 towels this time. And you're good to go. All right, guys, so total application time, about 10 minutes. For the first install, went pretty good. Nope, I'm gonna cut the packets open with the razor blade. But here's our treated surface now, no cure time, ready to rip. As you can see, super hydrophobic. And this is fine mist. So can you just imagine driving down the highway? And that's no cure time, so you can stop in, get this installed in 10 minutes, warranty for 3 years. You really can't beat it. And that's not even moving, that's just resting. So as soon as you hit 35 and it's raining, you don't even need your wipers anymore. Might as well take them off. All right, guys, that wraps up our Glassparency windshield kit install. About 10 minutes, real time, cures instantly. Drive our point home on the water repellency. Can't beat it. Your glass will be optically clearer, meaning you can see better. The hydrophobics aren't just for show. It's safer to look through. Your wipers will actually do something. Bugs are gonna come off easier. Snow with ice is gonna come off easier. It's all around a win-win. 3-year warranted by an accredited installer. And it's something that you definitely wanna look into, and something that once you have, you'll never go without. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you back on the Pristine Auto Clean YouTube channel on another night.